So hi people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we're going to make our potato cheese roll, and the ingredients we have the potatoes, we have garlic, we have cumin, and we have black pepper, we have chili flakes and carrots. Yeah, and these are some of the things we're going to be using. Of course, our grinder and Reiko. Yeah, so right now we are going to proceed and make our dough. So right now we're going to make our dough. We're going to put in a little bit of salt. Seasoning salt. Then you put in a little bit of oil. And then you put in our water. Yeah, we're going to make our dough. Yeah, so our dough is almost ready, as you can see.
It's ready now.
So it's ready now. Our dough is ready. So we put it there. We're going to put it in our grinder. And then right now we're going to season Irish. So we're going to make one big roll. But so we're going to season our Irish. We're going to put little black pepper. Then we're going to put a little bit of garlic. That is coriander. We're going to put a little bit of coriander. We're going to put a little bit of garlic. A little bit of cumin. A little bit of garlic powder. This is the powders. And then we're going to put a little bit of chili flakes, very little. Then we're going to mash our Irish. We're going to put carrots also. A little bit of carrots. So we're going to make our potato roll, and we're going to get our smashed potato, put it in, and then we roll. That's how we make the sweet roll.
I'm rolling now.
So we are going to put our oil to boil, and we're going to heat it at a medium heat, and then we are going to fry our cheese balls. Let it boil. So we are frying our cheese rolls for the final cheese roll.